All right, good afternoon. It is Friday, June 21st, 2019. We're here at Lone Star Bucket Trucks with the Dodge 4500 with the All-Tech boom on it, articulated and telescopic. This video is being shot for Jerry out in West Texas. I'm going to walk around the truck with you like we did the other one, just show you everything at first. You know, I did mention the truck had been painted. The paint job's not, that great, but for what it is, this truck's an excellent value. Cummins diesel, telescopic articulating boom, and it functions, runs, and drives great. It does have some dings in it, as you can see here, and then some on the door as well. The truck was kind of a dark khaki color, and that's why it had been painted. We did not paint it. But the truck runs and drives great, and everything works as it should. So the front bumper here does have a little ding walking around the side, just minor little chips and dings and things, nothing significant. Utility bed's in pretty good shape. Boom's in great shape. Walking around the back here, heavy duty diamond plate style bumper with a receiver hitch. It's got outrigger controls back here on the back as well. Bucket's in good shape. The cover for the controls is intact and in good shape. Coming around the driver's side here, just small little, small dings and things as you'd expect on a utility bed, but nothing significant, and all the doors open and close as they should. I'll have Chris go ahead and start the truck up. You can listen to it run. 6.7 liter Cummins turbo diesel, great power plant. Truck does not have blow-by, does not have any leaks, and it runs and drives out great. So I'm going to have Chris go ahead and engage the PTO, and we're going to fly the boom. Bucket is auto leveling. The boom speed can be adjusted on this model with the valving, but it's set kind of right in the middle. It's got a medium boom speed right now. Most people like to keep it around that. Raising the lower articulated boom there. There's the telescopic portion, the main boom's extending there. Now he's rotating it. The bucket's rotating away from us right now. Smooth and fluid rotation, no popping, no binding or anything. It's one feature you always want to check in a bucket truck. Very expensive to repair. Now he's retracting the boom. While he's doing that, I will show you the interior of the truck and pop the hood and things. The truck does have outriggers as well. The outriggers do not have to be used. In a situation where you need them, you can put them down and get more stability. The truck does have power windows and door locks. They do work. Air conditioner is nice and cold in the truck. good shape. And best of all, she is ready to work. Take a look at the video. Let us know if you have any questions. You can reach myself at 972-765-7819 or Chris at 817-889-1035. Thank you.